Hi guys, here's a different little project. This is my little box that I keep my soldering iron bits and pieces in. Not sure if it came from Poundland. Maybe, maybe not. But it's one that just has a bit of plastic strip across there that this clips onto, and then that clips under there and holds it together. But as you can see, that bit of the plastic's come loose or broken. So it occurred to me that the easy fix would be a bit of bicycle spoke. Drill a hole there, cut that off, drill a hole there, slide that through from inside, and then we got a nice metal hinge that will slide through on or clip on. So we'll be back in a minute after we've drilled a couple of little holes. I might even just heat it up and melt the holes. Even easier than that, I got a bradawl, which is a metal spike on a handle. A little bit bigger. Yep, that should do. So I'll push that through from there so it goes through that hole. That should be job done. Okay. Done. Oh, I'm rather pleased with that. Perfect. Yeah, no identifying marks on it. So I would assume Poundland or somewhere similar. Next thing to go will be the hinges along the back, because they're just the plastic bending. And I think when they go, then it'll be going in the bin. I mean, potentially you could replace them with metal hinges screwed through the back. Whether it's worth that effort. A couple of metal hinges is probably more expensive than the box. I mean, that would have been £1 originally in Poundland. Probably quite a bit more than that nowadays. Prices have gone up. I'm not sure if that's a Poundland one. It looks slightly different, so it might have come from somewhere else. But it would have been a similar bargain store, whatever you want to call it. I just rather like it. It's just the right size for those little bits and pieces that I use for soldering. I don't know quite why I've got two sets of cutters in there. Wire strippers, screwdriver, solder, Captain tape, soldering paste, quite a few odds and ends. Oh, heat shrink tubing, USB soldering iron, they're handy, a couple of them. I've got too much in there, which is probably why the latch broke. But that will do. Job done. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.